Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Top Data Tips channel. And today we're looking at groups in pivot tables, or grouping a column of data in pivot tables. If you like what you see in this video, please subscribe to the video, and there's plenty more videos on the channel, so just visit YouTube for the Top Data Tips channel. So let's jump into this video. So the group function in Excel is quite useful in pivot tables, particularly with date and numeric data. So in the case of this pivot table, you can see we have a bonus column, which is numeric or in currency form. So if we wanted to see the bonus range each salesperson has made, so you've got a salesperson ID here to uniquely identify the salesperson, and if we wanted to see a range of bonuses, so it could be 0 to £75 or 0 to £100 or £99, we can actually do that. And in terms of the date column here, at the moment the dates are in an individual date form. So if we wanted to group them by month, year or quarter, we can actually do that, and it just makes the report a bit more meaningful. Because imagine if this was a huge pivot table with individual dates, it would be difficult to analyze the data. So grouping data into ranges or with dates into months, years, quarters just makes the pivot table a bit more meaningful for the end user. So if we wanted to group the dates, you just click it into the pivot table, and you just right click the mouse and go to the group option, and here it brings up a dialog box. So it will start the grouping of the date from the 2nd of the 1st 2020, so up to or ending on the 18th of December 2020. Now you've got a choice whether you want to group them by days, months, quarters and years. So I'm going to highlight months, which is already highlighted, and then I'm going to hold down my control key on the keyboard and press quarters as well, and then I will click OK, and then you can see that the pivot table is now showing quarters and is showing the months within each quarter. So January, February, March are in quarter 1. There is a total for each of the quarters, and so you can see that the pivot table or the group function has made the pivot table a bit more meaningful. And if you want to ungroup it, you just right click, go into ungroup, and you can see the pivot table has been ungrouped. So I'm just going to regroup the pivot table again. So again, right click, group, and I'm going to do months and quarters again. So hold down the control key on your keyboard, left click on quarters and click OK. So with the bonus field, again, I'm going to click into one of the cells, going to go to the group function again, and here we can see it's got a starting point of 0, because there are some salespeople with 0 sales. and the high end of the bonus is going up to about £6,700. So I'm going to group each range by 100. So if I click OK, you can see it's grouped the first two bonuses 0 to £99, and again the second one is 0 to £99, and you can see some of the high end 5,600 to 5,699. So it's now grouped it into a range of bonuses, and you can increase the group range, say, by 1,000, and you can see now it goes up for the lowest bonus from 0 to £999. So again, yeah, a good way to group your data and to get some sort of meaningful insights into your data. And again, if you want to ungroup it, you just go back and ungroup it, and then the original values are displayed. So yep, that is the group function in pivot tables. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe to this video or join us on the Top Data Tips channel for some more videos. Many thanks. Bye.